Sindhi vowel in Roman a as used in kann means ear. Sindhi vowel in Roman double a as used in taro means star. Sindhi vowel in Roman I as used in pittal means brass. Sindhi vowel e in Roman double e as used in topi means cap. Sindhi vowel u in Roman u as used in muth means fist. Sindhi vowel u in Roman double o as used in suf means apple. Sindhi vowel a in Roman e as used in thelo means bag. Sindhi vowel a in Roman ai as used in bait means poem. Sindhi vowel o in Roman o as used in matho means head. Sindhi vowel o in Roman au as used in naukar means servant. Sindhi vowel an in Roman a''n used in mandar means temple. Apostrophe n is used for nasal sound as in ma, ha, acha.